Are you tired of losing money on damaged shipments? Learn exactly where to find ShipCover Insurance on eBay in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the 6 simple steps to locate ShipCover Insurance in your eBay account settings. Start by going to your eBay dashboard. Then, hover over your name in the top left corner. Now, click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Seller Center in the left sidebar. Then, click on Shipping to expand that section. Finally, click on ShipCover Insurance to see the details. And that's it. You found ShipCover Insurance on eBay. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.